Hello, Professor. My name is Halima. I'm going to tell you about our company, Cyber Automation, and the current challenges we face in respect to our production. So here are the issues we'll be talking about, this table of content. I'll tell you briefly about our company, the current operational challenges we face, our proposed solutions to the challenges, and lastly, the implication of our proposed solutions. The name of our company is Cyber Automation. It was established in 2010 to provide cutting-edge technology, producing sophisticated automation solutions. The company grew significantly. Our mission is to provide state-of-the-art automation technologies, offering all-inclusive solutions that adapt to the changing demands of the industry. Our vision is to redefine efficiency, sustainability, and reliability through cutting-edge automation solutions. I'll be talking to you about the daily operational challenges we face at cyber automation, ranging from quality control, capacity planning, supply chain, resource allocation, and last one, employee productivity. For quality control, historically, our defect rate has been 3%, but recently we noticed that that has increased from 3% by 1.5%, moving to 4.5%. Also, our first youth pass is targeted at 90% benchmark. We also noticed that there's been a reduction from 90% to 85%. On capacity planning, we've had issue of overproduction and underproduction. The recent one we had was last year. We overproduced a certain model of for our product by 15% and underproducing another one. The effect of this is that with the 50% increase in overproduction led to high cost of production from the cost of holding excess raw materials to um, to another cost associated with keeping raw materials. And for the underproduction, we had products that were stock up that were not available for customers to buy, leading to loss of customer satisfaction. For supply chain, we've had issues around transportation, delays in raw materials getting to the factory, and also for warehousing, that's also a challenge. For resource allocation, we noticed that there has been a significant underutilization in our resources. And for employee productivity, that has been inefficient. Recently, we had issues around absenteeism and other challenges. With all these challenges, as a group, we've come together to propose solution, which I'll be telling you about in the next slide. In addressing the challenges, we've come up with a number of key solutions that we feel will be okay to address these challenges. On quality control, we'll be working closely with our suppliers to ensure that they understand the needs of cyber automation. In addition to that, we'll be adopting the lean production system. The lean production system leads to continuous quality improvement, waste reduction, and improved efficiency. In addition to that, we'll be investing in machines, which would help us control the quality of our products and ensure that we keep track or we are at the benchmark set. For supply chain, we are going to optimize our transport system. One of the ways we are going to do that is have a tracker in our transport management system to ensure that cyber automation is alerted when there is delay, as this would help us reduce the cost associated with loss of customers when we do not get to meet with their deliveries. For the warehousing, we're going to adopt a consolidated warehousing system. It reduces operational cost and improve our efficiency. For resource allocation, we are going to adopt the material resource planning method. This method will help us to optimize the resource allocation by helping us determine the exact materials we need. This will again help us reduce waste. For capacity planning, we are going to develop develop sophisticated demand forecasting system and improve our inventory management. We'll be adopting the just-in-time inventory management. Just-in-time inventory management helps minimize the cost of holding inventory, reduce the risk of overproduction, and help us to cut waste. For employees' productivity, we will improve employee productivity by trying to monitor the rate of input to output of employees. This would help us set the necessary targets. Rather meet the set targets. The implication of our solution is, for example, the transport management system will help reduce delays and cost and also subsequently allowing us to improve our profitability. Materials resource planning method will help us reduce waste. At the end of the day, we are going to get improved customer satisfaction and stakeholders satisfaction. Thank you, Professor.